So what we got going on today, have the Aquaca Police Department squad car here. I take care of all their maintenance on all their squad cars. And what they had going on was the front and rear rotors were warped and rusting, and the pads on both the front and rear were worn down. So we just went through, replaced the rotors, replaced the pads, made sure they can stop good. Went out and took it. After you put new pads and rotors on, you have to seat the new pads to the new rotors. So you go out, you do several hard stops, and then just drive around a little bit, bring it back, let it cool off. Should be good to go now, and hopefully they'll protect and serve and stay safe, and we'll keep taking care of them.